Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, my name is Lauren, and if I look and sound sick, it's because I am. I'm pretty sure I have the flu or something like that, but your girl is determined to film today because this is like the day that I film every week. So we're just gonna be doing some Halloween makeup, and we're gonna be doing some Purge Halloween makeup. So I got 3 brushes here. I do not have a white liner, but I do have this white cream makeup thing. So I think this will work. And then we have the ABH Noravina, which volume is this? Volume 1 palette. Because we're gonna be using this hot pink color right here. And I am also going to be using the ColourPop Fade into Hue palette because I want to use this pink glitter. I already have all of my base makeup on, so just regular stuff. If my hair looks nasty, it's because it is. First things first is we have to outline everything with white. I should probably look at a picture to remind myself again what this looks like, so I'll be right back. Okay, so after looking at pictures, I see people doing this a couple of different ways. So, I think I know how I'm going to do it. I'm taking this on a brush like this, and then I'm going to kind of just dab it where I need it to go. So some people just do like a straight line across, and then some people do like a mouth. I think I'm gonna do just the straight line. Okay, and then I see a lot of them kind of just have one line right at their lips. And then we have X's on the eyes. So, and then I'm going to just kind of go up. And then just copy the same thing on the other eye. I feel like this X sucks a little bit, but we'll work with it. And then also, let's see. I know on the nose, it kind of goes under like this, I think. Kind of like a dip. And then we'll go around the face. But I don't think I'm gonna connect it to the, to this line though. Okay, now I see people do like a line here, and a line here, and then X's on these sides. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, now I have this little fluffy brush here, and we're going to go over all of the white with this hot pink. Having the white under it is definitely going to make the pink like pop, and then after we go over it with the pink, then we're going to go over it with white again, but with a smaller brush. So let's go ahead and just start packing this all over the top of this white.
This Halloween, I'ma get even with you. I'm a ghost, I'm a dip, I'ma go find my boo. If you ain't scared, we can disappear in this dark room. This Halloween, I'ma get even with you. I'm a ghost, ghost. Keep it low, low. I'ma dip to the castle in a cloak, wiping off a little blood.
Okay, so now what's really gonna make this pop is going over everything with just a little white line. So I have this little nail art brush, but you know, any type of liner brush or small brush like that'll work. And then I'm just using this white stuff again. By the way, this is from Walmart and it costs like $2. So, and they have like, excuse me, they have this in like red and orange and I don't know what all colors, but they have it in a few different colors right now for Halloween. So this is definitely gonna make the neon effect.
Give me that, freaky shit. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that, freaky shit. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that, freaky shit. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that, freaky shit.
Okay, so this is like the whole Purge makeup thing, but I'm just going to add on some lashes as well. I'm just taking some Moxie lashes. These are magnetic lashes. Wow, my dog just like turned my camera. But anyways, these are magnetic lashes and these are just so much easier to deal with. So I'm going to put on some of these. Okay, so I put on a little bit of mascara and then added on the lashes. And now we're going to take this glitter right here. It's called Prismatic. And then that is going to go kind of around this area under our eyes. You can definitely leave off the glitter if you want. But I just think it adds a nice kind of girly touch to it. So we're gonna kind of pack it on more towards the eye and then kind of ombre it out. And you can definitely go in with a brush, but I figured I would just use my finger. Okay, I think that is actually, oh wait, one more thing. Let's add Fantasyland right here in the inner corner of our eyes. Just to add a little, you know. So this look was super easy, like, and it does not have to be super clean at all. It can be pretty messy. It's really not hard at all. Even if you're not good at makeup, this is like a super easy look that I think is good, especially when you don't really know what to be for Halloween. You just need like a last minute thing. This is perfect, and you can use like, you know, clothes that's already in your closet and stuff. So yes, but I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye.